I have to put in a little work here, guys. It's been stubborn for quite a while, guys, and before you know it, you will be bald. Hi beauties, VickyJ here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all my subscribers and my new ones. It's always a pleasure to have you. Thank you guys so much for supporting, thumbsing me up, and giving me feedback. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Today I'm doing a hair update. Haven't done one of those for quite a while, guys, and if you have been following me, you guys have probably seen my hair up and down. I recently did a bob to my hair, guys. I cut off a little bit of length. I'm gonna put up a couple of images. As you guys can see, I did gain back a little bit of length to my hair, and I think my hair is at the length it was, I think, last summer when I did cut it, because you guys know I'm always like cutting my hair. My hair was down to bra strap length, and right now I'm back to like collarbone right here. So if you guys have been following me in the past, you know that my hair has been up and down, and you've seen me cut it and trim it quite a few times and things like that. On my channel, I know I never really promote like doing like a lot of length checks and stuff like that. I always encourage that all hair is beautiful. It's beautiful at any length, and it could be healthy at any length. So I'm in the process of actually growing it back out. Hope you guys stick around to see me on that journey again. Is she growing out her hair? Is she gonna cut her hair again? What's going on? Well, it's like right on like my collarbone right now, I think. Right at the collarbone. And I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see how it looks in the back. I always promote on my channel is that all hair grows. You know, you just have to apply the proper maintenance to the hair and routine to adapt to what your hair actually needs. All hair is different density, different type of texture, a different hair porosity, and that's very important as well. Hair porosity is something that really makes a difference, and it's the key factor as far as how all hair will actually adapt to products and things like that, because what products may work for me may not evidently work for you, and vice versa, and things like that. So getting to know your hair porosity and knowing exactly what your hair needs is very important as far as moving forward and having a healthy hair journey. Anyway, moving forward, I went ahead and I had a relaxer. It was my first relaxer for the year. I relaxed after 14 weeks. Now you guys know that I do have issues as far as going into long stretches, and it's something that my hair really does not adhere to it well. I really wanted to just do my normal stretch, which is just 12 weeks. Kind of got caught up with a couple of things. Now you guys have seen me do a lot of relaxer videos. You've seen me do applications and different type of techniques, and I went ahead and I relaxed with my Motions, a soft and silken, a mild relaxer. Now this relaxer does come in two other strengths, regular and super, but depending on the texture and the density of the hair, you know, you just choose something that's going to suit. So the mild definitely does work for me. It does get my hair really nice and manageable, and you know, I still have a little bit of texture as well to my hair. It does not get it actually like super bone straight. I know some of you probably like your hair super bone straight, but that's not something that I like. In one of my previous videos when I did my relaxer routine, someone was asking me about the relaxer. What's the difference between no lye and lye relaxer? Now this relaxer is a lye relaxer. It has sodium hydroxide. It actually helps to break down the bonds a lot faster in the hair, you know, making the hair really straight. So, you know, processing time is really not as long compared to the no lye relaxer, which is a little bit more mild on the hair. This particular relaxer it gives a little more harshness to the hair, and if you don't use it properly, you know, you could get like irritation. So it's always wise to have a professional do it, or if you self-relaxing, you know, you have to be very careful when using particular relaxers like this, because it could do a lot of harm to your scalp and your hair and things like that. I have been relaxing my hair for a very long time now, so I feel very comfortable using this product, and as I said, I've been using it for a very long time. You guys have seen me do a lot of relaxer routines in the past. I'll put a video up in the card so you guys can go ahead and check out to see the routines and the steps that I do as far as going about and doing a self relaxer routine at home. So in this relaxer routine, I went ahead and I sectioned my hair as I usually do. I applied some Vaseline to the ends of my hair, and by doing that, it helps as a barrier for when I'm actually rinsing out the relaxer. Something that you all should know, and what I also learned along the way when using relaxer in your hair is that while the relaxer is being washed out of the hair and it runs down the strand, it can go ahead and still start over processing the hair, which was something I did not know at the time. So applying some Vaseline at the end of the hair, that helps as a barrier. If you guys have been following me, you know that I have been talking about the crown area of my head, where I've been having a little bit of stubborn hair, and the hair itself has been growing a little much more thicker than the perimeter of my hair. Now that hair itself has still continued doing its thing, and I've been having a little bit of issue back there, so I'll get into that a little further down the road. I still do have some texture to my hair, but again, it is not bone straight. And it's always very important to rinse all of the relaxer out of the hair. If not, you know, you can still have some type of lingering over processing, and if there's relaxer still in the hair and you go ahead and start applying shampoos, you know, you can further work that chemical into your hair and then further cause irritation to the scalp. So washing out the hair thoroughly is very important. So these products that I'm talking about are all the products that I use after I did my relaxer to clean and cleanse my hair and things like that. Followed up with my neutralizing shampoo, and this is the ORS olive oil neutralizing shampoo, and I have been using this for going on 3 years now, and it really works to help get that extra chemical off of the hair strands and out of the hair itself. And for those of you who have followed me, you will remember the first time that I actually went in and used a neutralizing shampoo in my hair. I don't think I even had any problems growing out my hair at the time. Going along the way, I kind of learned that, you know, neutralizing shampoo is something very important. You should apply into the hair, you know, after a relaxer process. And I've been using it ever since, and it works out really great. And I'm going to start off with shampoo and conditioner. This is the Aussie Miracle Moist. It's so creamy. The conditioner, it really works great, and it really softens up my hair. The shampoo cleanses my hair really well. It doesn't really strip it of its natural oils, and I think I have a lot of moisture in my hair after using these two products, and it works out really great. The Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Hair Mask adds a lot of body to the hair, and it really coats the hair really nice and adds and keeps in a lot of the moisture in the hair. Absolutely love this product. And this is the ORS Replenishing Conditioner. This is like a light protein that I love to use a lot of time, mostly not only after I have a relaxer, but you know, a lot of times after I do a shampoo with my hair. You know, this smells amazing as well. And this I have been using for quite a while in my regimen. For those of you who have been following me, you've probably seen me talk about this for a lot of times. The Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist, and I used to use this a whole lot in the past. Haven't used it for a while, so I kind of reached for it today. Always good to add that moisture back into the hair after doing any type of treatment or even chemical use. You know, you have to add a lot of moisture back in the hair. In the winter season, the cooler season, my hair really does not adhere to the weather that well, and I have to moisturize quite a bit and more than usual. With that being said, moisture is something that helps to rejuvenate the hair, keep its elasticity, you know, and help it from going through any little kind of distress. And my leave-in conditioner of choice that I've been using for quite a while as well is the Lotta Body Fortified Me Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. It's really light on the hair, and it, you know, it doesn't weigh the hair down in any way or anything like that. And I also follow up with my Garnier Fructis. This is the anti-frizz serum, and both of these products do act as heat protectants in the hair. Mainly the serum, that is non-negotiable. Heat protectants is definitely a plus in any hair care regimen once you plan on using any type of heat at the end of your wash. As far as flat ironing, you guys know that I don't go in with the flat iron. I've stopped using the flat iron for a very long time. I do have a curling one that I use ever so often. Now, a little update further about my hair. I realized that every time I comb my hair, I'm noticing, like, even though I had my occasional shedding, that's enough to be like, oh, I'm just sick of it. Like, who wants to have shedding? Along with the shedding, I noticed that a sign of some type of breakage. I did a little bit of searching and analyzing to my hair, and it was actually coming from one particular area of my hair. Now, you guys heard me, I spoke about that crown area of my head, like, you know, this area that just so stubborn. It's been stubborn for quite a while, guys, and for some reason the hair itself growing in that area is a little more thicker now, a little more coarser for some reason. and I had to moisturize that area of my hair a little more than the rest of my hair. So it's like I was treating two different textures of my hair at the same time, which was just so frustrating. And at the same time, what I noticed is that I was getting a little bit of breakage from in that particular area. When I hold up my hair to the light, the end of the hair, I saw I had split ends. And you know, with split ends, there is no way of reversing it. There is no product that you can get that's going to fix this. The only thing really that can handle and fix a split end is by cutting the hair. Holding on to it is just gonna further cause a lot of damage, because if not, it will gradually work its way up the strand, and before you know it, you will be bald. So what I did, I went in and I trim any type of, you know, split ends or raggedy ends. You know, even though you trim, you could still miss out a couple of strands in there that, you know, didn't really meet. So I had a couple of strands in there that was a little bit more spraggly, so I had to go through the entire hair, part each section really small, and dust each of the section. So right now my hair, I will say, I mean, it's freshly relaxed. It is very soft, very limp. I have to put in a little work here, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much the latest that's been going on with my hair. Even though I like the scissors, I really had to go in and do some more important trimming, which was taking off split ends. And moving forward, I actually picked up a new product that I wanted to try out, but I kind of had a little hesitation because I wasn't sure how to actually go about using it. And the product that I'm talking about is Olaplex. So I was doing a little bit of research about this product, you know, to find out how exactly to go about and use it, because, you know, it was so kind of confusing. They came with numbers and I was like, I wasn't sure what to actually get. So I came about this hair repair trial kit from Olaplex, and it comes with the number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. The number 3 is the hair protector, number 4 the bond maintenance shampoo, number 5 is the bond maintenance conditioner, and number 6 is the bond smoother. There are 4 of these little tubes in the box right here, and each of them is 30 ml, which is 1 fluid ounce. So that's not really a lot of product in there, guys. A little may go a long way, but if your hair is much longer, I'm not too sure how far this is gonna go, because 1 fluid ounce, that's not a lot. I also went ahead and I picked up another product from the Olaplex line, and this is the number 7, and this is the bonding oil. This is how it actually looks, like gold in a bottle. This is actually 1 fluid ounce. I don't think they have anything smaller or anything larger than this. I think this is the only size. You guys can refresh me, and if there is something bigger, you can let me know. I'll put the prices down below in case you guys are interested. I can't wait to try this out, see how it works in my hair. Still kind of nervous, but I will try it out with you guys, so stay tuned for that, and I will update you as well along with the oil. So guys, that's pretty much the hair update. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell down below to be notified of all my future videos, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!